Yep. Fish on. Oh, my bobber's gone. Dude, let's go. What is going on, guys? Welcome back.
What's going on?
To another episode. We're about to head out to port here. Early morning sesh once again. I think Tommy's going to be out there on his boat. Aiden's got to leave early, like 10 o'clock-ish, so hopefully he can get one before he has to head out and do whatever he's got to do.
We're going to drop some floats and see if we can scam bang out a few.
Stick with us, stay tuned. Let's go crank them. There's one. Oh. Why don't you let us out there? I just got absolutely murked. Oh! Dude! Off.
What? It must have been tangled around the tip, because look at my drag.
Yeah, it must have been. Nothing I could really do there. Did you see that thing take off? Zoom!
Morning.
Morning.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
There's one.
Yep.
Fish on.
Fish on. Hopefully it's a female. Oh, big head shakes.
Don't put too much pressure.
I'm not. Get ready with the net. She's like right here, dude.
Guys, first fish of the day that has stayed on for more than 4.5 seconds.
Come on, come on. She's coming up.
Oh, big mama.
Oh, big
mama.
mama. Big mama.
Fish.
Oh my God. Watch the bobbers, dude. Watch the bobbers. Get those out of there. Get those out of there. She's right here. She's right here. Okay, net, net, net. Get the net. Here she comes. Coming up, coming up. Coming up. Oh, coming up. Oh, the Della Bay rod. This feels so good, guys. These hooks I got. Guys, I changed out my hooks because this bait didn't have any hooks on it, but I got Eagle Claw hooks on here, so I got nothing against Eagle Claw, but I mean, oh, dude. I do not like that, how tight my drag is, but I need to force this fish. Watch it, okay. Watch it, she's coming. Oh, don't go into the dock. Don't go into the dock. Don't go into the dock. Here she comes. Wait, she's coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. Oh, it's a big mama. It's a big mama. Damn it. It's the hooks. There's only like one hook in it, dude. You got to net her. She's coming.
Chrome or two.
Oh yeah.
You gotta have her head. Her head's gonna have been facing the dock every time.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Wait. Turned off. Here she comes.
I don't want to.
Come on.
I don't want to.
Come on. Come on.
I don't want to rush it.
Damn it.
The problem
As soon as I get her to the surface.
She's caught in the net.
As soon as I get her. Oh yes. Please tell me that's. Oh, that's a female. Oh my God, guys. Please, is that a female?
Yeah, it's a female kitten.
Hook just popped out, guys. Look at this hook right here. Oh my God.
Hook popped out in the net. That's why I was worried about.
What did I tell you guys? Look at those hooks. Look at that.
Female.
Absolute pig of a fish right there. Hook just popped out, but what a tank.
Boy, they were all
They've been-
summer. We couldn't get them. And
They've been absolutely slamming. We just missed. Oh God. I'm gonna lay this fish down, but they've been actually slamming our skein here. Just Tony missed the bobber down. Bobber shot all the way down. Must have went down like 2-3 feet. Set the hook, line was tangled around the tip of the rod and snapped us off. We've been missing countless fish, but guys, take a look at these hooks.
Aiden might have something against Eagle Claw now.
I don't have anything against Eagle Claw, but
Oh, let me focus.
now you can see why I wanted Tony to net that fish so quickly, and so thankful he did, because oh my god, those hooks were ready to bend out. But hey, that was such a great fight, and we just got these rods in from Della Bay, Wisconsin anglers. Use the code WISCO, all caps, if you want to cop one of these. They're super great rods. So happy we landed that hen. We've just been having really terrible luck lately, but we just missed one. And look at this fish, guys. What an absolute beast of a fish. What a hog. A nice big old female. Take a look at that. All right, we're gonna get some pictures here and get going.
What up, bro?
Yeah. How many?
We just landed an absolute giant female.
Did you?
Yep.
Are you guys in that pier spot?
We missed it.
How many people are in there?
There's nobody by us right now.
Do I have a spot for my boat in there?
I mean, yeah.
How big is the female?
25. Yeah, I missed one on skein. I had a bobber down. I set the hook. Fish took off, and the line was like wrapped around the tip of the rod, and it snapped.
Snapped your rod?
No, snapped like the whole leader, like all the lines like gone.
So you guys have one so far?
One landed.
I'm coming in there. I'll see you in a little.
All right, bye. Crankbait. Oh, dude, they're stacked in here. What up, Pete?
Let me sneak in here real quick.
Yeah.
My bad. Just a knife in the open. Where's the thing?
What thing? The sheath?
Thing.
Oh. Are we on spot lock?
Dude, look how white this one's turning. It was never even that white. Are we on spot lock? Yeah.
Can my bobber sink 573 millimeters, please?
Yo, someone should cast right in that gap right there.
In there?
Yeah.
You get hooked, you're
Once it runs out this way.
What are the chances of that?
50-50.
More like 10 to 90, mother. Oh, my bobber's gone.
Nice.
Let's go! Dude, I literally looked and I'm like, where did I cast? And I literally just wailed on it. I might have to come in the front there. Yep.
Go.
Here he come, here he come. Look at the crowd.
Watch your trolling line. You need this fish. I told you, dude, you're on the nitro. You're gonna catch fish.
I literally had no idea where my bobber was. So I just literally wailed and just, there was weight. I'm shaking right now, boys.
Pete, hit spot lock.
Oh, that was a big head shake. I thought it came off. Okay, here it comes, here it comes. It's heavy, dude.
That was a doe hook set.
Alright.
Oh, Pete, you got that out pretty good.
Come on up. Dude, this is heavy as hell. Like, super heavy.
Do you have a stringer in your bag?
Oh my god, I can't even lift it. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially because I didn't see it right away.
What is this?
Especially because I didn't see it go down. It's probably like down its throat. Right, it's coming up. She's not giving up. She woke up. No, take me in. We might be screwed. Yep. Yep. Gone.
Broke you.
That was a giant female, dude.
Yeah, that was a big one.
Welcome to my salmon year of 2020. Every fish I hook, I lose. Oh, mother.
That was so sick. You were funny for that?
Yeah, I got that.
That was sick. Dude, I am so good at getting a boat. Like, look at this. This is perfect. Watch this. It'll.
You. Oh, I can't even dock this thing because there's fish.
Go like this. You just hold. Oh, me.
What?
I had to pull those salmon up.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Why I couldn't tie it. That's giant.
That has to be pistol because that's the freshest one. You can tell my two.
That's giant.
Dude, look how white this one got.
That's ugly as fuck.
It's like an Oreo cream cake.
I'm gonna sit in the driver's seat. That'll make it a lot easier to hold this. Oh, yeah, damn.
Here, Tony, wanna hop off?
Yeah, and do what?
And then grab the kings. Just make sure they don't pop off the stringer, though. What, dude? What the are you? IQ of a dead cat.
Alrighty, guys, I was gonna wrap it up for today. Aiden landed that monster fish, monster female, like 25 pounder on a crank. Epic fight.
Yeah, epic fight. That put up a really good fight on the new Della Bay rods. Guys, don't forget to check out Della Bay, their rods. Use their code, all caps, WISCO, to go get yourself one of those Della Bay rods that we have. They work really nice. Yeah, overall, epic day. We landed a nice big female. Got the skein in the bag replenished, so I'm happy. I know Tony's happy too.
Sadly, guys, I lost giant female on Tommy's boat there at the end. Aiden had to leave like 10 o'clock. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys go leave a like down below. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. And we'll see you in the next one.
Peace out, guys.